Hello friend, welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. You already saw this 1986 Toyota pickup, 4-wheel drive with a 22R. It's a carbureted vehicle. You saw it because there was a leak from the fuel tank. I spent a lot of time cleaning the stuff from the area where it was leaking, just to find out that it wasn't from the tubing, it wasn't the lines, maybe one of the lines bad, it wasn't the filter, fuel filter, which is right here. The reason was why it was hard to see, because it was dripping off the frame right here, and that was because there was a shaft all over here. There was the dirt, the dust, dirt, all that mess, which you still see here. Look at that. Look at how much is there sitting here, soaked with the moisture and rusting, destroying this truck. It's coming from these holes. The beds on these trucks are famous. They rust through. They have holes through. We already discussed it together. See the rust, it's severe on those. You know that already. This is being repeating. But I just want to make the point. I want to explain why actually this gas tank started leaking. It was not because it was made of bad material, but look how dry the frame is here. Nothing is hanging here and sitting here. Look, this is after I already swept multiple times today the dirt from the floor, so I don't have to be standing in it. There were all these chunks, and you see it right here, it's still here. So it's being shoved, wedged between the tank, which is right here, that's the opening. It's wedged all over here, full of moisture, water, and it successfully rusts. The frame is fortunately not affected by it yet. I will have to keep cleaning. This job is a lot about the cleaning all that mess. And now we are finally coming. Let's come from the correct side. We are not looking in the light, against the light, so the camera can nicely show everything. So this is after cleaning and cleaning. You still see the mess. Now the next challenge will be transferring these units, hoping I don't strip these miniature bolts. As you can see here, the lines, as we discussed, weren't leaking. That's where they are meeting these three rubber lines. This is completely rusted off, right? You see it, it's disgusting. And this is, look at it. This is where the tank rusted through. And the reason is not that it was a bad material, but it's this. This holds the moisture. It holds, it's that wetness, and that keeps rusting. Do you see that detail, how bad it is right here? So I wanted to show you how this job is progressing. It's very slow because all these challenges, you see just this. I will have to clean, hoping these clamps don't break. And I will be also that transferring on that new tank. We discussed that together, that it was kind of challenging to correctly select, because there were many options. I probably said, I'm not sure if I shared that with you, made in Taiwan. The only difference so far I spotted is that this tank on the bottom doesn't have a drain bolt with a rubber washer. This one fortunately had it on the bottom. So today I was kind of successful by draining it. I put that large funnel around that opening and caught most of it. The spillage on the floor was not so bad. but last time when I was actually looking where it is leaking from. So this is not how-to video, it's not a repair video. I'm sharing with you, I'm inviting you to my shop so you can see these interesting things. Rusted tank through, unfortunately, because it's coming through the completely rusted bed, and it's really important that I keep cleaning it, because it's exactly the area where there was a one chunk of mud sitting here from, I will say, here, there, and you can see that's the brake lines. You see them here. That's not a fuel. These are the brake lines coming to the back, and these were exposed to that horrible environment too. So that cleaning, it unfortunately takes time, but this all needs to be perfectly clean and dry for the future. So I really hope you found this video interesting. If you like it, if it's really interesting to you, please give it thumb up. And always make sure you are subscribed, because I have way more coming your way soon. Thank you for watching and have a great day, my friend.